This was the location of the building for the signal corps. Of course, this was all in 1880s, 1890s, early 1900s. And that's just when Mr. Marconi was getting started in his work with wireless communications. So these guys are working on a wire. The crafty Apaches figured out that the soldiers needed those wires, and they started cutting them. So what the U.S. did to retaliate was to use heliographs and go up on that peak in the background there, Bowie Peak. It's a device that used a couple of mirrors and had a little shutter on it that could flash reflected sunlight to distant forts that would also have a peak manned with another heliograph.